Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Prototype2 engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin our Prototype2 engine troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This DLL file is the primary game engine library for the title Prototype2. It manages the game's core logic, including rendering, physical simulations, and AI behavior, specifically for the Windows version. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error usually indicates that the Prototype2 directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Prototype2 to replace specific required files, such as the Prototype2 engine DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Prototype2 engine message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like the Prototype2 engine DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for the Prototype2 engine. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Prototype2 engine and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.